array access is usually silent until it's not. What if you could intercept every index read or write, including invalid ones, with zero extra code? Declares a constant array named logs to store write operations for later inspection. Instantiates a new proxy object wrapping an empty native array as the target with custom get and set traps defined in the configuration object. Specifies the handler function for read operations on the proxy, receiving the target array and the property key being accessed as parameters. Logs the index that is being accessed from the array by printing read index followed by the value of the index parameter. Uses reflect.get with the original arguments to perform the default array index retrieval operation on the underlying target array. Terminates the get handler function definition for the proxy configuration object. Specifies the handler function for assignment operations on the proxy, receiving the target array, the property key being assigned, and the new value as parameters. Pushes an object containing the index I and the assigned value v into the logs array to capture the assignment for later analysis. Outputs a trace to the console showing the index and value being assigned, prefixed by write : =. Uses reflect.set with the original arguments to perform the default array index assignment on the underlying target array. Terminates the set handler function definition for the proxy configuration object. Closes the configuration object literal past as the second argument to new proxy, completing the proxy instantiation. Assigns the string hidden to index 2 of the proxied array, triggering the set trap before writing to the target. Accesses index 0 of the proxied array, triggering the get trap and retrieving the default undefined since no value was assigned at that index. Proxies turn passive data into active logic. No extra loops, no monkey patching needed. Subscribe for daily coding videos.